Hi everyone, back again with another video. I'm Dinuth. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today is the second video in the Certified Kubernetes Application Developer Refresher video series. I have made my first video on CKAD core concepts that will be covering the API primitives, config, namespaces, as well as how to configure the basic pods. In that video, I have given around 80 plus must know commands. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll include the link in the description and up here. Please go and then watch that video. And today is the second video in this series that is covering the configuration domain number 2, that will give 18% weightage during the exam. Under the configuration domain, you need to understand the config maps, security context, and define applications resource requirements, and create and consume secrets, and understanding the service accounts. So let's refresh your knowledge in the subdomains during this video. Let's get it started.